Hey guys, it's Mrs. Willis. We're going to do a math lesson that you can find at www.putnamcityschools.org/academics/continuous learning. All right, so, and parents, you guys can read this with your child at home. I'm going to probably turn the camera around in a minute and teach that way, but we're going to review the past lessons that we went over and then talk about a minute and what a minute is. All right, so we've been talking about telling time to the hour and half hour. So here's my clock, and I want you guys to think about this for a second. What time is it right now? If you said 4 o'clock, you are correct, okay? Because that minute hand is on the 12, and then that hour hand is on the 4. So I'm going to change it up and see if you guys can tell me what this one is. What time is it now? If you said 7 o'clock, you are correct because that minute hand's on the 12 and that hour hand is on the 7. All right, do another one. Changed it up. What time is it now? Think about it for a second. Our minute hand is on the 6, and that hour hand has been in between the 7 and the 8. It's not to that 8 yet. So it is 7:30, right? Or 7:30. So I'm going to do another one. Okay, think about it. It is 10:30 or 10:30. So how many minutes are there in an hour? Well, I told you the other day that there are 60 minutes in an hour. If there's 60 minutes in an hour, that means that there are 30 minutes in half an hour, okay? So we have 30 minutes and half an hour and 60 minutes in an hour. Well, how long is even a minute? Do you guys know how long a minute is? What I'm going to have you guys do right now is put your heads down, and then I'm going to start a timer, and when you think that when it's been a minute and you think it's time, you're going to raise your hand, okay? So I will tell you guys when it is a minute. All right, so we're going to start right now. Stop. Now it's been a minute. All right, so if you raised your hand at all before I said to stop, then you got it wrong, but that's okay. That kind of took a while, didn't it? And it was kind of funny. So that was a minute, the time that I stopped talking until I started again. So a minute is 60 seconds, and that's just like counting to 60, okay? Now, it's not counting to 60 as fast as we can. That's not a minute. Not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 1, 2, 3, and so on. Kind of having those spaces in between the numbers, okay? So what I want you guys to do right now is I want you to do 60 jumping jacks, okay? And when you're doing 60 jumping jacks, you're going to count out loud to a minute, all right? And I'm going to do it too, and then I'm going to have to probably take a break before I continue this video because I will be out of breath. All right, so I'm going to do 60 jumping jacks, and I'm going to count to 60 while I do it, and that will be a minute. All right, so are we ready? Whew, take a deep breath in, let it out. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So I don't know about you guys, but that was exhausting for me. Meaning I am very out of shape, but that's okay because I can work on that and get better. All right, so moving on. All right, so what I want you guys to do right now is write a list of things that you think you could do in 1 minute, okay? Then share it with someone around you and see if they think that that can be done in a minute as well. All right, so we did our jumping jacks in 1 minute. Now think about 30 minutes, okay? What could you guys do in 30 minutes? Maybe you guys can play outside in 30 minutes. Maybe you guys play board games. Maybe you eat dinner in 30 minutes. Make a list of things that you think you can do in 30 minutes. Then share it with someone and see if they think it's true or not. Now think about an hour. Now an hour is 60 minutes. What could you do in 60 minutes? What could you do in 1 hour? Make a list like we did with a minute and 30 minutes, and then share it with someone around you and see if it's true or not. I hope this lesson went well for you, and I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a nice day.